Wealthy Besties, let me show you how to use the offset font in Cricut Design Space and also how to make your letters for the senior jeans. So right now I've typed out the letter S and I'm looking for my font. Right now I'm going to use the varsity font. You can use whatever font you decide that you want to use. I do each individual letter. So you're not going to type out the whole word of thing. You're just going to do the S and then you'll duplicate that S and change it to an E, duplicate again, N, duplicate again, I, and so on. So that's what you see me doing here. So I am on my iPad, so it looks a little different than what it looks like on a computer. But what I did was I scrolled over to where it says position and click rotate to rotate my letters. So the way the letters look like they're at an angle. As you can see, I'm doing it for each individual letter, and you're going to do it for the whole entire word senior. Now, once you get the letters positioned how you want, you're going to group them all together. So after you group them together, you're going to scroll over to where it says style, and you're going to click on style. After you click style, you're going to click on offset. So when you click offset, it's going to automatically do 0.25. If that's too big, you want to scroll your dial to the left, and the more you go to the left, the smaller the offset get. If you know what your offset number is, then you can just type it in. So what I'm doing now, I'm changing the color of the back of the offset. At the bottom where the little color dot was, you just press it and change it to whatever color you want. So I changed mine to red. Now, if you notice, if you click on the letters, the individual letters are still not combined. So what I'm doing, I'm just showing you, once you do the offset, you don't have to go and attach anything. It's already together. So that's your offset. Now you see that square at the top right next to make. You're going to click on that. That's how you see your layers tab if you're on the iPad. So you just click on that, and what I did was I hid my layers so that way you can see the offset. Now I'm going to unhide them and hide the offset. So you just press the little eye on the side that'll hide the offset. Now I'm grouping them together, and I'm going to press attach, and after I press attach, I'm going to press combine and weld. So that way it's one piece, and there you go. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions. I don't mind answering. I'm April, your craft tutor. Please like and follow for more craft tutorials.